let me show you how to do it on other people's posts, other people's shots, and then be having your own subscribers. Let me show you how to really do it. Now, for instance, this is a video I did a duet on. This is a video I did a duet on, which gave me about 1.5 subscribers just for someone else's videos that I duet on. Not my own video. I didn't have the content idea. It's someone else. This is a Minecraft game which I dwelt on, and then this gave me about over 20k views and gave me about 1.5k new subscribers. So let me show you how I got this and how you as well can achieve this. Now, first of all, you open your YouTube app. When you open your YouTube app, you go and find the video you want to duet on. Go and find. All right, as for me, I will just search this very person, and I would like you to also use this very person if you want to have a quick result. If you want to get quick results in having subscribers and also views. All right, search for Luna Blocks. All right, so this her name. YouTube are really favoring this girl. Luna Blocks is not just one person, but use this on Luna Blocks US. Now when you get to her channel, go to her shorts. Don't forget you are not duetting on long videos, so you go to her short videos. When you go to shorts, let's hit on popular. We are going to duet on her popular videos that are really engaging and doing well online. All right, so when you get there, I think I have a video with this very one that's about 16.16 m. All right, so I will go to over to this very one. Never play Roblox when doing homework. Let me leave that one. There's one that I was looking for. All right, so let me just pick any random one for the purpose of this class and then go over.
If I say your brother or sister's name, you're out. I'll start with the rarest.
Okay, I think this one is okay. Your sibling's name is probably on this list. All right, this if you check here, this has about 6.4 million views. All right, and he had about 157k likes. All right, so this is a good content we can do it on. So you go over and click here where we have a plus sign where you can do it on this here. Go over and click on here. When you click on there, you see collab. You see the first one is use this sound, second one extend with AI, the third one is collab, then green screen. You can go ahead and use the green screen or use the collab. As for me, I will use collab. All right, so once I click on the collab feature, when you click on the collab feature, you see at the top of it, at the top right, you see 15 seconds. Now this video is longer than 15 seconds. You click on the 15 seconds to extend it to this full length. This to show you the actual length of this video is 46 seconds. Now you drag where we have 15 seconds, you drag here to the end of the video to extend and cover the full length of the video. All right, so once you drag it, you see we have here 46 seconds. All right, you click on next. When you click on next, you allow the video to load up. When processing, you allow it to process, and the next thing, one thing I want you to know is that if you want to get a very quick and active result, also always make sure to use the same title of the video as the real owner used. The title of this very one was I say your sibling's name in this video. All right, so you can go ahead and screenshot then to make sure that you are using the same title. And if you forget the title, you can go ahead after everything, just put whatever you know is okay, then upload the video. After uploading, you go back and check the title of the video and then go make sure you are, if you are not getting the right title, let's say you forget the title, put it on unlisted first before uploading. You put it on unlisted. Okay, let me just go ahead and process this video so that you understand what I mean. All right, so it has finished processing. This how it will be. Now you can see. All right, so this has finished processing. The first thing I want you to do is, you see where we have a mic sign here. This is where we have the mic sign. Go ahead and tap on the mic sign to turn it off. This is because you don't want your background noise to, this video is kind of, what they are saying is what is bringing the audience attention and what will be engaging to it will be engaging to. All right, so you go ahead and turn off the mic. You will not want your own sound to enter. All right, so I'll click on the play button.
If I say your brother or sister's name,
Now when
you're
it's
out.
clicking, you
I'll
make sure
start
you
with the
position your
first
video,
one.
your
If your
face
brother or
at the
sister's
center
name is Hugo or
of this
Hershey,
video.
if your brother or sister's name is Hugo
Make
or
sure you position your face
you're
at the
out right
center
away.
and at
If
least
their
be
names are
reacting
Elliot, Tamara,
so
or
that it be
Ronald,
as if
hi
you are
bye
part of
buddy.
what is
Still
going
in the
on.
game? Leave a like so I know who's still here.
Okay.
Now I'll say some more common names, but still kind of rare. If your brother or sister's name is Nathan, Sophia,
No,
or Priya,
you
you're out.
lose.
Ethan or Claire. See you
It's not
later,
there.
alligator. Subscribe if you love your siblings.
Okay.
Samuel and Vanessa, you're out too. And if your brother or sister is the first person that appears when you click share and then more, you're out. Comment your
Alright.
brother or sister's name so I can include it in the next video. And for the final name, I'm going all out. If your brother or sister's name is Anthony or Hannah, you lose.
Once you've recorded yourself, the next thing you are going to do now is to click on next. All right, when you click on next, this is where you are going to input the title. All right, you are going to put the title here. I think the title was your sister's name is on this list. Then don't forget to always put hashtag shorts and hashtag duet, as I said. All right, so after putting the hashtag short and hashtag duet, you go over and schedule it. Hashtag don't make you go viral. If you like, you use 50 hashtag cannot make it to go viral. It can only help YouTube to know that, okay, this the kind of the video you are creating helps the algorithm to know where they are to push your video to. If your video is not interesting, it will not go viral. All right, so you go over and your visibility, I have to schedule my own because I have a video this is 3:44. I have a video running by 4 o'clock, so I cannot put this to public now. Don't forget, if you are uploading a picture, a video, you have to give at least 2 to 3 hours of interval before you can upload another video as a YouTuber. You will not, it's just an advice from me that works bestly for me, and that's what I will advise you to always do. All right, so after setting the visibility, I'll go over to the audience. Always set your audience as not meant for kids. Always set your audience as not meant for kids. All right, so I'll go over to description. I will ignore that. Location, I will ignore it. Related videos, I will ignore it. Playlist, I will ignore it. This for a new YouTuber, so I will ignore it. Altered content, you go over to altered content, select it as no. Altered content means if this your video is made with AI. Now this was not made with AI, so I will go over and click on no, it was not made with AI. All right, so I will go back and ignore every other things, and I will hit on upload short. That is it. Once you hit on upload short, don't just rush to close your YouTube. Wait for the shorts to finish uploading. You wait for it to finish uploading before you can go ahead and maybe zoom up with your YouTube. And then let me tell you one secret: there is no social media that likes anyone that will just come online, upload a video, and then will go back. There's no social media at all, being Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok. No social media that likes anyone that will just come online, upload a video, and then will zoom off. So after uploading a video, if you are putting it to start going online right now, you have to make sure to stay at least the price 10 to 15 minutes or 30 minutes, and check if your videos has all this, and be engaging on your video. Any comments you can respond to, this or that. Make sure you're following up your video. Don't just come online, post, and then you zoom off. All right, so that's what we do, and then you are good to go. And I bet this works for me. As long as you are using the same creator I use, Lunar Blocks US, your video, you will start getting massive views, massive followers, and before you know, you hit 1k, 2k, 3k subscribers. Don't forget, guys, if this video, if you find it helpful, make sure to give it a like, and also follow me for more tips like this. Thank you very much. I remain Prince David.